Hi guys, today we're going to show an exciting new arrival. It's the 2021 Ford Transit Custom 340 Ecoboost. It's the electric plug-in hybrid. Absolutely stunning van all round. We're reducing your carbon footprint but not compromising any efficiency or performance. Let's have a look around. So in the rear of this one we've got a stunning workshop, checker plate floor. With the limited model you get all the toys on this one. You've got the alloy wheels, aircon, cruise, SAT-NAV, you've got your heated seats. If you'd like any more information on this stunning van, please contact Nick or Chris. Thanks for watching.